to my channel. It is reset day. My house looking a mess. I'm looking a mess. Let's get it together. Yeah. So every time I'm about to record something, my camera about to die. So before I do that one and stuff like that right there, I'm just gonna show y'all the mess, the chaos. Yeah. So boom. Let's see. Let's do Hatsana. So this is the living room looking. It's not that bad. This is my office area. I don't know where I'm gonna put all this stuff at, no shade. I'm thinking about getting more storage for over here. I just have to decompile and do everything. And when I have more time to get rid of some of these products that I don't and can't use, and that I don't use it, I can't use it. You get what I'm saying? So, I'm just gonna make me a Depop for all my products that I can't use to, get rid of them and not just, throw them away or anything. So this is how the living room is looking. A mess. Hallway, not that bad. It's nothing really too major in there. And then now, babe, look at the bathroom. It's not that bad. Ain't nothing really too major. You just gotta wipe down everything. The sink. Get all these tiles out of here and stuff like that right there. Just really get it together. Just really, really get it together. So now I feel like the most thing like that I'm gonna have to just really just do Donna is my room. Y'all, this fucker done been at my house for almost a week. And this is how my room is looking. So yeah, we're gonna get that together. I ain't changing the sheets today. We changed the sheets a couple days ago. They can last another week. And yeah, I'm just gonna be putting up my dirty clothes, washing my dirty clothes, getting all this stuff around my room off the floor. It really feels like a lot actually. And then, like, y'all see how my clothes is busting out the seams? It's because I have too much stuff now. Like, and I need a bigger dresser. And I also need to get rid of some of my clothes that I don't wear anymore. So, yeah. Just stay tuned, y'all. We're going to come back in a minute. So boom, let's get into it, y'all. My room has been looking a mess. It's been disarray, babe. It's been looking a mess and tore apart because, my man's he been at my house for like 5 days, almost a week down there. I'm like, dang, we been laid up, you know what I'm saying, cooped up, you know what I'm saying, doing that ones and twos and stuff like that right there. I was just like, dang, I just cleaned up a couple days ago. Literally, I just cleaned up, like, I think the day before he came over there. I think that was Tuesday, and he came over there Wednesday, and then, like, today, I think it was either Sunday or Monday today, this day or whatever, when we had started cleaning up. I was like, you know what, we need to start cleaning up. And I'm so glad I started cleaning up when he had went to go get us some Chick-fil-A. So while he was at Chick-fil-A, I was just sitting there. I was just like, you know what, let me just start cleaning up my room real quick. Let me go ahead and do her Donna. Let me go ahead and do some stuff that, you know what I'm saying, can get done real quick, because he was gone for like a good little 30-45 minutes. I ain't even gonna lie, I was like, I don't know what's taking him so long. But anyway, because this video in all actuality, it was sped up, but it was just like 20 minutes. I was just like, what is he doing? So then I had to send him my order and all this extra stuff, but y'all know how it is. But yeah, so boom, I start off with the hard stuff, which is my room in its entirety, because we both cleaned up the whole house and I asked them to clean up with me. I finally got somebody to help me clean up, y'all. Like, oh my goodness, even though I feel like it's not his responsibility to help me clean up because it's my house at the end of the day. And yes, I am, you know what I'm saying, making space in my refrigerator, don't mind. But he been at my house all that time. Shoot, been laying up, messing up, you know what I'm saying, using the bathroom, doing this, doing that. So yeah, he can help clean up sometimes. I should have to clean up behind him, no shade. Every time he get done eating, every time, he got some trash, I gotta take it to the, trash can and all this extra stuff, because, I don't like people walking around my house like that anyway. You know how they go. Yeah. We go get into that later. But my room was just starting to look a mess. Our clothes was starting to mix together. Like, our dirty clothes were starting to mix together on the floor. My clean clothes, I had to put them up. I had all these blankets on top of my chair. I had all these jackets out. And y'all, I really have to go through all my clothes immediately. I have to do a big spring clean, like immediately go through all my clothes and like literally throw away all the stuff that I can't fit, and I'm just gonna give it away. I'm just gonna let it go. Or do y'all think I should make a Depop? I think I should make a Depop for all my old stuff, all my clothes that I don't want or I can't fit anymore, that's been lightly worn. Most of the stuff I haven't worn, or I only wore like one time, And I'm just like, yeah, but the stuff that I have on repeat and it's like in rotation is the stuff that's like really comfortable or I really like or whatever, or it's just like easy accessible. So yeah, I will be doing that soon, like in a few more weeks. Like when I got more time, I'll be going through all my wigs, all my old clothes and all this extra stuff and making like a depop. Clothes that's like ripped or got holes in it, of course I'm just gonna, probably like give it to Goodwill, not even whipped, or it doesn't have to have holes in it or to be ripped, you know what I'm saying, like stretched out or worn to the point where it can't be sold. That's the point I'm trying to make. Yeah, I'm gonna just get that to Goodwill like I normally do. I just haven't did it in a while, honestly. I don't even think I gave any clothes away of my own in about a year. Like a real good deep clean. That's why I feel like my stuff is overflowing. That's why I feel like I don't have no room for anything, because I'm not getting rid of old stuff that I don't want anymore. So even if my stuff don't have holes in it, which majority of my stuff don't, or like if it's dingy or if it got a stain on it, stuff like that, I'm just gonna give it to Goodwill and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, young ho, this was just so tedious. And now, y'all, I hate cleaning my room, but I just, once a week, okay, cool. I'm gonna do a deep clean around the house once a week and stuff like that right there. And then I'm just try to, on a daily, keep my room in my house clean. If we all do this as a collective, the house can stay clean. It's not even all that serious. So my brother, he not here. My son, he is at school and he out getting something to eat for us, and he gonna come back and help us clean. He gonna be cleaning up the bathroom while I finish my room and I do the kitchen as well. Y'all, ain't even gonna lie, having somebody help you clean that don't need direction for real really is a help on me and my body, like, bro, because it normally takes me about, like, I would say 4 hours to clean up this whole house, 3 to 4 hours to clean up this whole house. Like, I'm so irritated. But yeah, so I really love this new comforter set. Yes, it came separately as well, y'all. Anything y'all see in my videos, down to the cover, down to the bed, down to the sheets, down to the pillows, will be in the description box below. It's in my link that's labeled showcase, my showcase, Life of Kel showcase and stuff like that right there. If you see anything you would like down to the dresser, down to that smiley pillow, the sheets, the pillowcases, you name it, the lamps, girl, my whole house is TikTok shop down. You hear me? Down to the ground. But there's nothing wrong with it. Everything is sturdy. As y'all can see, nothing has broken. Everything is lasting. So yeah, I love TikTok shop. I love me some TikTok shop. And also, I have to get rid of some of these blankets. Like, it's getting ridiculous. Like, all the blankets that I have, like, holes in them from smoking, yeah, I'm gonna get them away finally as well, because I need to make some room. And don't mind my little gel braids, babe. Don't mind my gel braids. Listen, Linda, we finna get cute. We finna, do her down in a few. I had to just let my hair breathe, because I'm slapping these wigs on back to back. I don't want no bald spots. I gotta let it breathe. Sometimes my edge is already getting pushed back. I'm already finna have the George Jefferson hairline. But yeah, he had came back with the Chick-fil-A or whatever. I had took a few sips of my my milkshake and stuff like that right there, ate some of my food and got back to cleaning. And I got to get under the bed. That's the problem with you HOEs. That's why you got creepy crawlers creeping in the bed with you, because y'all don't sweep up under y'all bed. Get up under that bed, babe. Get up under that bed. Simple. So yeah, I just moved everything around. I think the next deep clean I'm gonna do, because I just got me a mop and bucket set. Sorry, I'm talking too fast. But a mop and bucket set, like from the shop, like it's like one of those big heavy duty ones. Y'all know the one that was going viral for a long time. I finally got one. Well, it finally came in the mail. So yes, we're gonna mop the whole house. I think I might do that tomorrow or one of these days when I ain't got nothing to do. Maybe Thursday. But I have a dentist appointment on Thursday again, which is very irritating. But yeah. Y'all, cleaning my room. Y'all see I'm still on my room. Like, my room is just one of those things, like, girl, it takes forever. My room should be its own project. My room should just be its own, like, day. I feel like my room should not even be a part of, like, cleanup day. It should have its own cleanup day. We might start doing it like that when I'm starting cleaning up by myself and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all, so I got this new rug as well, which I'm so excited, y'all. I'm gonna get some new rugs, some new curtains. I already got my new curtains and stuff. I just haven't put it up. Like, I have to do a video where I have like a mini renovations of my room, like finish my wallpaper, put up my flowers, put up my neon signs, put up my wall decor, and also put up my new curtains. That's basically about it. And I think I'm gonna put the rainbows and the flowers on my flower wall and gonna see how that looks. If it looks cute, we're gonna keep it up. But yeah, so there's that. That's what's going to be coming next for my room. I still have to get a new dresser. That's the end of my room decor, room makeover type teas or whatever. I've been focusing on trying to get my son all his dressers and all his furniture. I got him a new bookshelf, a new dresser, and a new tall dresser. Now the only thing he needs is a nightstand. So yeah, it's coming together. It's coming along. He up here playing and stuff. To my son, blink twice if you need help. I ain't got time for that. Listen, Linda, I am a drill sergeant. You gonna clean like I want you to clean, or else? Hell. Anyway. Yeah, so he helping me out by cleaning the bathroom and stuff. I ain't really get him that much, to clean for real. The bathroom ain't nothing. I could do the bathroom in like 20 minutes. It just all depends on how dirty it is. You just sweep it out, wipe down the walls, wash the shower out and stuff like that right there. I'm just, I'm glad to have the extra help and stuff. But yeah, y'all, so after this, I'm going to get to cleaning the kitchen and straighten up the living room and stuff like that. And then that is going to be it for our little Sunday reset. I'm not going to talk to you guys or talk y'all ears off the whole video, but yeah, just stay tuned or whatever. Thank y'all so much for the support. Let me know if you guys want more cleaning videos, because we could do this every day. No shade, because it's something to clean every day. Like my office area, we have to get that together. We gonna do that itself. Like, I'm gonna do office makeover too. right, as you guys can see, we both cleaned up. Everything is looking good. He did a good job in the living room. Look at it, girl. Look at it. Let me step to the side. He did a good job. I was like, T. Okay, cool. Do your biggest ones. Do your biggest ones. But yeah, y'all, so we just did like a little cleaning or whatever. It wasn't a deep clean because I didn't mop and wash the walls and stuff like that. I'm gonna do that probably sometime next week or something like that. Probably the next clean, we're gonna deep clean and stuff. I didn't touch my office area because I have to unbox some packages and go through that. And yeah, so I have a Shein. My Shein package just came in, so we're gonna do a Shein haul next coming up. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.